of all, open Capcut. Okay, so if you have not updated your Capcut app, so please go to Play Store and search for Capcut and update it from here. If you are using iOS or iPad, you can go to App Store. Now let's go to Capcut again. Now tap on new project and here tap on photos. Now add your photos. Okay, so we have added the photos. Now select the first, tap on it, and here tap on style option, and here tap on 3D zoom option. When it is complete, tap on second one and tap on 3D zoom. After that the third one, and thus it will complete. So this is a simple video, a simple function. So I hope you will like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks, goodbye.